How to use TradingView charts. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Binance and want to learn how to use the TradingView chart for a better view of price movements, firstly open up the Binance application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the Markets button from the bottom of the screen and then select the cryptocurrency trading pair you want to analyze. Then you will see this chart page. Go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom left corner from the chart page. Now you'll see this More settings option. Go to the Chart Mode tab and tap on TradingView. Once you select TradingView, you will be able to use the TradingView chart. Now you can make use of the drawing tool to mark trend lines, support and resistance levels, or other areas of interest. After choosing the TradingView chart, you'll see and notice a different kind of chart appearing on the screen. So that's how you use TradingView charts on Binance. You can now explore different time frames, indicators, and drawing tools to become more comfortable reading trading charts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.